Imagine having a smart gate or garage door with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity that works with your smartphone, opens automatically as you arrive home, notifies you about anything you need to know, and also works with Alexa. Today, it all becomes possible with Remotio, the first versatile, end-to-end encrypted Bluetooth and Wi-Fi-enabled smart remote controller that makes your old gates and garage doors smart. Remotio's Wi-Fi connectivity lets you control your gates from anywhere in the world. And thanks to the Bluetooth integrated design, Remotio also works when there is no internet connection. The intuitive app allows you to share keys with friends and family and manage their access rights easily. Remotio can notify you when your children arrive home, or you can simply let them in if they forgot their keys. Nobody likes to bring their bulky remote controllers when going for a jog. From now on, it's enough to bring your smartphone. When you are not sure if you closed your gate, you can simply check it in the app, or Remotio will notify you after 5 minutes. Arriving from shopping has never been easier, as Remotio's auto open feature can let you in when both your hands are busy. Using Remotio, you can let the courier in even when you are not home. Moreover, it's integrated with Alexa, so you can ask her to close the gate for you. Installing it is as easy as plugging in the power cable and connecting it to your gate. After the installation, the whole setup process is just a few simple steps in the app. And you also don't have to worry about security, as Remotio uses end-to-end encryption, which means that your keys are only stored on your smartphone and the Remotio device itself rather than somewhere in the cloud, so your security doesn't depend on a third party. Furthermore, Remotio is also protected against replay attacks. The other accessories bring Remotio to the next level. Get notifications if someone rang your doorbell, or allow your friends to let themselves in with a push of a button. What's more, the Remotio app is available in multiple languages such as English, German, French, Spanish, and Italian, and there are more languages to be added. We have iterated and tested the product in the past 18 months. Remotio is already in production phase, and we need your support to make it widely available. Back us today and make your gates smart.